Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to share it with someone who might love it too. It really helps our channel grow and reach more amazing people like you. Our mission is to share what we know and create positive change, one simple step at a time. Together, let's make the world a little better. Sometimes it's the simplest actions that make the biggest difference. Let's make the world a little brighter, one share at a time. Don't forget to subscribe for more content, and we'll see you in the next one. One love.